Morning. Today we will review some problems quite possible occur in your midterm. I choose 20 sets of problems. Each set has two problems from exercise. From our textbook, from exercise. I will solve one of the two in each set. So today I will solve 20 problems, as I told you in the beginning of this semester. So, randomly, and our midterm, all problems are chosen from this 40 problems, same one from each set. But this time, randomly by our TA, okay, by our TA. Maybe okay, because you already know what problems will in the midterm. So maybe 20 problems seems quite a few. Maybe too many, but you already know. So I encourage you to practice and practice. Okay, try to finish these problems in midterm. Okay, I know some foreigners, they need the scholarship. So you can study hard, solve these problems, practice over and over again. Maybe you can get 100 points. I think so. Okay, I know maybe you need a high score to get a scholarship at the end of this semester. So, by the way, I saw your response. Some students suggest because I didn't give you assignments or have some quizzes in class. I don't know, I already told you my style, my way is this. Before this term, I will review something. Yes, this almost covers most important exercises. Okay. So your mission and your work, your job is to review what you have learned in class and the practice examples I taught. And you can do some exercises. If you want to confirm the answer is right or not, you can find TA, because TA has a solution set. But because of the copyright, you just can look at whether your answer is right or not. Okay, but you cannot copy the solutions. If you really want some quizzes after the class, I can make quizzes. Okay. If you want some assignment, almost all exercise, because the exercise, the author already under very well consideration. So you just follow the exercise, solve it one by one. Okay. You will see now how to solve. I hope you can learn independently. Okay, by yourself. Well, if you have any question, or some problems, you can contact me by email. Okay. My email already in the syllabus, or you can find your TA to know how to find me. Okay. I want to make things easier. So this is my style. Well, let's begin. The first, 龍生NASA. Here. Oh, konnichiwa. Would you please choose one of the two numbers, 30 or 31? 31. Section 1.5. Determine the infinite limit. Okay, so in this problem, if you use limited laws, the numerator at -2 is -3, it's not 0, but in the denominator, this term is 0. So we face to a infinite limit. The most important is the sign, positive or negative. We can make a table. X and this one, x minus 1, x squared times x plus 2. Some numbers, for example, 1, 0, and -2 are critical. At 0, undefined. 1 is 0. This is 0. At -2, undefined. Because the exponent here is an even number, so no matter what x is, for non-zero x squared is always positive. Then the sign completely determined by these two numbers. If x is greater than 1, then -1 is positive, -2 is positive, minus, positive. Okay. Because this is squared. The sign of this is always positive. The number between the -1, see? -1 is negative, -2 is positive. Negative, positive is negative. If x is less than -2, x -1, negative, x -2, or x plus 2 is negative. Negative and negative is positive. So we already know the limit is an infinite limit. The key points to determine its sign. Okay, this means x approaches -2 from the right. So we have a minus sign here. Next, Brazil, 木白， 黄伟康啊，范增英，青青龟，魏松威，哦，哪一题呢？这里有2道题目，你选一个，37或38A。37好。Find the vertical asymptote of the function f of x equals this one. Vertical asymptote means it has an infinite limit there. So if x is not equal to or -2, then this function is continuous there. Is continuous there. So let a be a real number. If a is not -2, then is a -1, 2a plus 4. This is not an infinite. If a equals -2, then limit x approaches, for example, -2 plus, just like the previous one, x -2. This is f of x. Okay, in 1 and -2. At 1, the value of f is 0. At -2, the value of f is undefined. But the sign, if x is greater than 1, -1, -2, positive, positive. Because the exponents are all odd. So we have infinite limit from the right, minus infinity. So which is an infinite length? So we have the of the graph of this function is x equals -2, or x plus 2 equals 0. Next,这是我们这一国家的罗玉涵有在吗？ 不在。简佳莹，哦，选一个题目吧。选一个号，我们刚才解的是8，是不是？好，我们刚才解的是37人，这个是8。第一个是第几题？31号。Evaluate this limit. Okay. This function is an algebraic function. Means this function can be obtained from constant functions and the identity function after finite many steps of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.